I don't know if you've heard, but apparently YouTube is monetizing small channels in 30 days. So if you're one of those people that has remotely even been thinking about or toying with or flirting with the idea of starting a YouTube channel, apparently now is the time to get started, okay? Because YouTube is pushing small channels and helping them get monetized in record time, okay? And from what I'm seeing, or from what it seems like, apparently, it's, some channels are getting monetized within 30 days. Now, if you are one of those channels that has successfully been monetized within 30 days of getting started, I would highly, highly appreciate it if you would let me know in the comments that you are one of them. If you are one of those channels that has tried to get monetized within 30 days but did not succeed, please also let me in the comment section below. I would love to know. And if you are one of those that is in the process of trying to get monetized within 30 days, let me know in the comment section below. Either way, just let me know what stage you're at, because I would like to compile a list, right, of different channels that are doing this, so I can see how, what percentage, at least of the little sample that I matched together. I want to see what percentage of channels are actually, for which this is actually happening. My inclination is to think that the channels that do succeed to get monetized within 30 days are going to be in the minority. That's my inclination. I could be completely wrong, right? But it would be really interesting and really nice to see. It would be, well, I'm really curious to see for how many people this actually happens. Now, I do know of at least one channel that successfully got monetized within 30 days. As a matter of fact, this one was monetized met the requirements to get monetized within 7 days, and then got monetized on the 8th day. I actually talked about and showed that channel in one of my previous videos. I guess I'll probably link the channel again in this in the description of this video, so you can go take a look, right? I do, however, understand that at least from what I've been seeing, right, I would say there's like 2 requirements for this to actually happen. Okay, I don't know if I would want to call them a catch per se, but those are the 2 requirements, right, to successfully get monetized within 30 days. So one is that you post at least one video every single day. Okay, at least that's if I'm wrong, if my information is incorrect, please let me know in the comment section below. But if I'm misinformed, right? So that's one. You got to post at least one video every single day for 30 days. And then 2, which is a little bit, I don't want to say controversial, but it's just a little bit interesting. The other requirement is that you spend a lot of your time in fact, that you produce a lot of videos that are essentially talking about getting on YouTube and encouraging people to get on YouTube, right? Which, makes sense. That would be self-serving for YouTube, right? The more people they can get on YouTube, the better for them, right? The more people they can get on YouTube creating content, the better for them, right? Because that provides a lot more inventory for them to be able to place their ads on them, right? For advertisers to place ads on videos. And, that's how YouTube makes money, right? So, it would be really, really interesting to know. Of course, if you're watching my channel, you're wondering, you can see, for those of you that do know, right, what the requirements are, you would know that I happen to be one of those that is not monetized, right? I've already been posting videos for more than 30 days straight, so it just, I got the short end of that stick, right? But that's not the end of the world. Like, I'm still going after it. I'm still continuing to post for as long as I need to. I have the mentality of like, hey, just succeed or die trying type thing, right? But I'd like to know I'd like to know if you are even attempting to do this, if you're in the whatever stage you're at, you made it, you didn't make it, you're in the process of trying to make it within those 30 days. Please, please, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, I'd love to come check out your channel and see how things are going, right? And here's the other thing too, for those who, just so we're clear, right? Being monetized, when we talk about being monetized, we're referring to, getting into the YouTube partner program, whereby you're making money from AdSense, okay? And the requirements for that, for those of you who don't know, I would like to think if you're watching this video, you probably already do know, maybe not, but the requirements for that is that you become, the requirements to become a YouTube, to get into the YouTube partner program is that you have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months, right? Or 10 million shorts views in the previous 90 days. Now, most of the channels that in fact, all of the channels that I've come across that are having anything to do with this channel, with this, 30-day challenge, attempting to do it, whatever the case may be, majority of them are going after watch hours. I haven't really come across any yet that are trying to go the route of shorts, right? Trying to get 10 million shorts views within 90 days. I don't know if, within the previous 90 days. Obviously, if you're going the shorts route and you're following the challenge, you're trying to get it done within 30 days. So, even if you do hit the target, you've managed to get it within 90 days, right? Because 30 days is a lot shorter than 90. So, but yeah, now something interesting I do have for those of you who have not yet got monetized and would like to, who have not yet gotten monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, you can actually start making money with your YouTube channel before that happens, okay? And one of the best combinations right now for, one of the best combinations and pairings for making money with a YouTube channel right now is including, basically selling digital products, okay? Selling digital products that are related to whatever it is that you talk about mostly on your channel, whatever the case may be. But people are making, in fact, a lot more money with selling digital products than they do from getting monetized, right? So that is definitely something for you to consider. And if you are interested in learning how to sell digital products that either you created or somebody else created, whereby you're selling them as an affiliate, right? Check out the first link in the description below this video. It will give you access to some training that will show you how to do exactly just that, okay? And you'll be able to learn how to sell those digital products, not only on, basically on various different social media platforms outside of just YouTube. But the thing is, YouTube is a really good place for that right now. YouTube's doing people are doing extremely well selling digital products with their YouTube channels, okay? So definitely check out that first link in the description below if that's something that you would like to get into. All right, so please, I know a lot of people will watch videos like this and they'll be like, whatever, they're not even gonna bother. But if you would, right, please do me that favor of letting me know in the comment section. Letting me know in the comment section where you are, if you are even bothered with this. If you're not bothered with it, just let me know it's not something you're interested in, or you're not something that you're doing. But if you are remotely interested in this and you have been looking at it, please let me know in the comment section where you are with it, okay? So again, if you have successfully gotten monetized within 30 days, please let me know. If you have tried to get monetized within 30 days and you've gone through 30 days but were not successful, right? And you were posting every day for the most part, right? Just let me know. And then if you are currently in the process of trying to get monetized within 30 days, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm trying to gather a list, and once I have a decent number of channels that I can, put together in the list, I would like to create a video someday. Not someday. It can be as soon as, it's just basically as soon as I get to the point where I have a decent number of YouTube channels on the list, and it'll be a video that I create showcasing all the different channels that have been in the process of doing this. I mean, I don't have a big channel here like anything where I could say, where people would be enticed to want to do that because I would create a video that's showcasing their channel, driving more traffic to your channel. But either way, just do it, please, because you never know. What if I did blow up, right? What if my channel did blow up, and then all of a sudden, you start thinking like, oh, maybe I should have put my channel on there. So anyway, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions about anything that I talk about on my channel, if you've watched any of my other videos, put them in the comment section below this video. I will be sure to answer, and I will catch you in my next one. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. Ciao.